Hey guys, it's me, Cool Robert. So the other day I was at a little convenience store and I found this thing, a tank change aircraft. So basically what this is, it's a little tank that can turn into a jet. So you can see right here, and it says the same thing on the side, from a tank to a jet. And this is made by a company called JYJ Toys. Interesting. Oh, and it looks like it's got a light up feature. So here's the tank right here. It's pretty big. I love the color scheme they put on for this little toy. Okay, it's got this little wheel underneath. I assume that helps it like turn different directions. But I think it might need batteries. Let's see. Got my screwdriver right here. Gonna unscrew this thing and see if it's got any batteries inside. I was right, it does need batteries. Excuse me for a moment.
A few moments later.
Alright, I got these batteries, 2 Energizers, and a Duracell. I know these two companies are kind of rivals, but I'm sure the batteries will still work.
You made me angry!
I'm pretty sure this one still works. We're gonna find out. Almost put that one in the wrong way. Alright. I believe I turn this on. Oh, look at that! It does light up. I'm waiting for it to do something. Is there like a button I have to press in order for it to transform? Maybe if I turn this thing on. Oh. Oh, it's transforming. Oh my gosh, this thing is insane. Oh, it's transforming again. Alright, come here, you. Alright, here we go. It's transforming back into a jet. Okay, that little demonstration was pretty exciting. That's what I'm gonna say. Turn it off so we could get a look at it in the jet mode. It's pretty cool. I like how the this part folds inwards. And then these things are inside the tank but come out to become the wings. And they say the same name of the company, YJ Toys. But this one says Jun? Does anyone know what that means? If you do, please let me know in the comments. Anyways, this piece was up here but comes down to become the nose of the jet. But let's turn this thing back on to transform it back. Alright, we're back to the tank, ladies and gentlemen. And that was pretty interesting. I'm definitely going to use this thing in a future film. If you guys have some ideas, comment down below. Until next time, we'll see you all later. Okay, tank, blast them away.